Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're good. Welcome back to my channel. As usual, I'm very thankful and grateful for you guys. Thank you for your time. Even if it's 1 minute you use to view my video, I always appreciate from the deepest part of my heart. So guys, thank you so much for your support, because it's your support keep me going. So guys, if it's your first time you're viewing my video, hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, and please help me to share with your loved one as much as you can. My hair is like this. I just washed my hair 2 days ago, and to start this hairstyle I'm going to part 2 section from ear to ear. So I'll be working with front section, while back I'll secure with elastic band, and then later on I'll tell you what to do in back section. So here to start, I just start to part my hair, and to hold my front hair without break them, I apply some gel. You may apply any kind of gel, and then I start part my sections. It depends which kind of section you want to work with. You may decide to work with big or with small. This is the size of yarn I use, very small, but if your hair is shorter than mine, you have to use a little long yarn so that you'll be able to hold your hair at the middle. So as you see, I keep a little space of yarn, and then I start wrapping. When I wrap very slowly, not powerful at the point of breaking my hair. I'm wrapping slowly, and it's a little bit loose. It's okay, this is protective style, and at the same time when you put this hairstyle, you stretch your hair and you look beautiful, honey. Yes. And end of this strand I secure only one time. Then I make section. I take only one piece. I keep a little space of yarn, and then I start wrapping. I wrap till end of my hair. And I wrap till end of my hair because my hair is short. It means if your hair is more longer, of course you may also continue to wrap till end of the hair, and then it will be easy for you to hold back. To hold at the center of your head. And guys, if you're wondering like how you can take this hair down, or how you can remove this the place you secure, if you wrap the yarn till end of your hair, just pull gentle end of your hair, then the yarn will unravel without break your hair. But if you do gentle, not powerful, just slowly. To braid half of my head, I use very few yarn. I think I use less than half pack. Very few yarn, and at the same time, honey, you're looking pretty and cheap. Using yarn to braid your hair is one of the cheapest way, because you're using very few yarn, and at the same time you're glowing and look gorgeous. So in front I apply some gel. You may use any kind of gel, no specific company of gel you're supposed to use. Just use any gel that works for you. Apply some on your edges so that you'll be able to hold them well without break your hair, and then start wrapping. When you're wrapping the first 5 times, wrap slowly, because if you wrap powerful, you feel headache, and it will be very hard to cover your hair when you are sleeping. You'll cause too much tension, and that's not good. And another thing, you may decide any shape of the line you want. Always when I decide the style, I'll try to make the line that will fit on my face. So you too, you may decide any shape of your line. You may decide either to do like a triangle, you may decide to do like a one side go a little bit front and other side start a little bit down. Just go with any shape of line that you feel like is more pretty on you. So after here, I'll be showing you the next side so that you'll see clearly like how I part these two sides. So as you see, this other side, I also started like a little bit front going back, and then middle here, these two lines. I don't know, what shape is this? I don't know, just tell me in comment section, guys. The name of this shape of the lines. So I continue the same thing, wrap till end. When you're wrapping, don't forget you have to keep a little yarn at the end, and later I'll tell you why you're supposed to keep a little bit yarn end of your lines. It's very important. So after here, I'll be showing you how I make these lines looks a little bit like stitch. First, I make the lines clean, and then I do 2 strand twists. After I twist 2 times, then I pick another strand, then I add and I continue twist till end of this yarn. This second line I cut the yarn too short, so I have to add a little piece of yarn so that I'll be able to secure end of this line. But the third line, you can see more clear. I take one piece, the front one, and then I pull a little bit back. Then the second one I twist 2 times. After 2 times, I also add another strand, and then I continue twist till end of the yarn. I take one piece from any section, and then I secure only one time. That's how it goes. So when you are wrapping, keep a little excess yarn, then later you'll be using to join the section together and to secure them in safe way. This side I go upward, and also another side I'll be also going upward. I hope this makes sense. I roll or I twist the hair going upward. The same way I'm going to do to other side. The first one I twist going upward 2 times, then I add another section. I twist a couple times, then I take one piece of yarn. This is also the same yarn in those sections, then I secure one time. And at the middle, you just put your hand on top so that it will be easy for you to roll or to twist the hair. And go till end, then take one piece, secure your section so that your lines will not unravel and your line will show clearly. After this, in back section, you may decide either to do cornrows or to do twists, or just to comb like the way I do. And then I hold front section and back section at the center of my head. Then I take hairband and I secure it. I'll be using this Afro puff. If you don't have this Afro puff, honey, in my channel I show a couple times on how you can make Afro puff. You may use donuts if you don't have this Afro puff wig cap. So I'll also pin the link in description below. So here what I do is I attach one pin front and one pin back because this Afro wig have 2 pins, and then the rest of the wire I secure them on top of my head so that I can see clear. Then I pull the wire back and I pull the hair out so that it will be fully cover the back and a little bit front. I also use bobby pin to pin my Afro puff wig. Honey, you have to pin because if you go out with that pin, your Afro puff will be blowing with the wind. So to avoid that, secure your Afro puff well with bobby pin so that you'll work with confidence. Then I continue pull it and I use my palm to shape my Afro puff, and guys, this is the final result. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved one. I love you so much and I will see you soon. Bye.